Hello and welcome to Kingswood Tech Videos. In this channel we focus on business products and services, many of which you can also find in our magazines: Business Info, Managed IT, Print IT Reseller and Technology Reseller. We'll drop a link in the description below so you can visit those at any time. Anyway, a little bit more about what we've got to offer. We have a hands-on, up-close approach to product reviews and manufacturer interviews, providing honest and detailed information at all times. We're going to feature unboxing, product specification, detailed reviews, how to use, pros and cons. Importantly, it's all from a business perspective. We hope you find these videos interesting and look forward to having some feedback and comments. Hope you enjoy.